Hi, I'm Taylor and I'm the Marketing and Community Coordinator here at Style Sourcebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our shadows and perspective functionalities within the mood board tool. Shadows and perspective is perfect for taking your mood board to the next level as it provides a more realistic portrayal of the products in your board. Come with me as I showcase these functionalities. Firstly, we'll delve into our shadows functionality. Shadows in a mood board helps to achieve a more realistic and visually interesting design. Within the tool, we have drop shadows and cast shadows. Drop shadows helps to give an impression that the object is raised above the objects behind it, making it great for flat lay mood boards. To use the drop shadows functionality, simply click on a product, click on shadow, and select drop shadow. From here, you can change the blur, opacity, and can move it up and down or left or right. Cast shadows are the shadows that are formed when light hits from above or from a specific angle, making it perfect for furniture pieces within a board. To use the cast shadow, drag in your desired product, click on the shadows button here, select cast shadow. From here, you can select your desired shadow shape. Once it's on the mood board, you can change the size of it via the handles on the product like so. Our perspective tool enhances mood boards by giving a more realistic feel to product placement, especially for flooring and rugs. The perspective functionality enables flooring and rugs to appear as though they're flat on the ground instead of flat on a mood board, working within the perspective of the room. To use this tool, drag on your desired product, for example, some flooring or your favorite rug. Edit the size and orientation if needed. And then click on the perspective button located on the right hand side of the mood board tool. You can use the tilt back or tilt left and right to move your product into the desired perspective position. You can also use the handles on the product to further alter the positioning until you're happy with how it looks. To ensure that your rug is at the back of the room, click on the back button to push it back like we've done here. Thank you for watching our guide to our shadows and perspective functionalities, and we hope you have fun playing around with them.